Welcome back to another video. Cursor has launched its CLI version and also GPT has launched its Model 5 and we can use it in Cursor too. So let's dive into how it works in Cursor. So let's dive into our screen. We can see GPT-5 on Cursor. So let's create some application using this. So I have created a prompt for creating just a simple time zone converter. Let's see. We will give it to Cursor. Okay, let's see how it takes time to generate all of this. I've seen this like GPT-5 takes lots of time for thinking. It takes lots of time as compared to previous model for thinking and creating. If task is big, it takes lots of time to thinking. It's one side is good, but other side is like a time consuming. It's like I guess it's convert it into multi-model, I guess. But let's see. It's generating now. I've been using cursor more and I can see like the models are taking sometimes time, sometimes it's generate fast. But sometimes what happens is like it generates directly. Just we have to like we give a prompt and it start working directly. That's a bad at some time because we it need to properly think where we should work and we should not because it randomly go and just work and the things are same, the error is same or what we want it's still same, so that's another size wrong. Let's see. So we can see it has created a proper, yeah, let's open it. Okay, so you can see the UI is nice. We have given a prompt about just create a proper UI, and as you can see, like the UI is so beautiful and so clean. I can say like the UI jobs or front-end engineers jobs can be in danger. It's not sure that the coding jobs are danger, UI, backend, and all stuff. But if you can more learn about the backend and more technical stuff, that will be good because it's not effective till now, but in next 6 to months or 1 or 2 3 years, it will be work more efficiently. You can see it has added a nice icon and some things. I guess it's still generating things. Okay, so it has generated everything. Let's try something. So we can see it doesn't have a data. Okay, so I guess we need to give an API. Mm, okay, okay. We should select. If I personally want to design UI, so I have to write these lines of codes, and it will take around 1 and 2 hours minimum, and to generate all of this stuff. But as you can see, we get all of this code in just 2 minutes of time, and that's very nice actually because just doing repetitive tasks consume more time, more brain power, and that's really consume everything, and at the end we are not productive. So I personally think these things are very nice. At the end, if front ends, UI designer, back end jobs are gone, that's another part. But my focus more is on productivity and how we build things effectively. So we can say here added the data properly. For example, I need IST to JST. What's the time? Okay, oh, sorry. Okay, okay. So currently we have. So it had created the time nice. Generate link is generated, but I can't see. Okay, okay, fine. But yeah, you can see pretty much it has created a nice UI. If you want to change something, we will change it. That's really great. So let's create one more project with this. So I just given another prompt of creating a focus timer app where you can just start and stop timer according to the Pomodoro style. The thing is, it's a simple app and it's taking time for thinking. more, and that's not should happen, because when we are trying to build some big things, then it will take more time, but it can be reduce some updates. Let's see, we should run the application, I guess. Nice, the UI nice, I really like that. The colors, gradient effects, this buttons gradient effects, then these effects, also the highlight of the border, and this ambient sounds. Okay, I don't know if this works. No, we should add some, but we will add later. Let's start. See, the UI is really nice. We can add more things into this. I like this stuff. I really like this stuff, because the thing is, when we are okay, it's still generating. Okay, okay. Let's see what it will generate. But as per now, the everything seems very nice. Colors, then alignments, then UI, and just if you add break, then it's okay, nice. The icons and stuff means it's really working nice. I like this, because the more time we consume, it's just designing these stuffs, and I personally think these are very time consuming stuff, because at the end we should focus on the core principles, core thing, core buildings of the product. Because if you are consuming your time for UI, colors and all, your brain power gets more use for this. But let's see the effects, and that it has added very nice. It's still building something. Let's see. If you have any more ideas what I should try or build, you can add in the comment section. I will try to create that using GPT-5 too. Just add the prompt. I will try to create, and let's see what it builds. Running. Okay, everything is done. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's try once. Okay, we have not added the sounds, that way it is not working. But you can see the UI is nice. The alignments, the sections are very nice. We have not required to think about this, and I personally think that this is great. And in upcoming days, model will get improved, and that will help more. So I hope you like this video. We will see more how this model works. You can try too if you are plus member. I guess in free trial also we get some credits for the GPT-5 version. Just try once. I have checked on the GPT pricing, but on the GPT it doesn't work well, because if we want to write code beyond 300 lines, it doesn't work well. In Pro version 2, I don't know if you are facing this too, but I'm facing that issue. But try once. If you want any more thing, just comment it out. I will try.